Hello everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, where we do the research on all things health, wellness, and nutrition and deliver it to you right here. Let's dive right in. Today, we've got an absolute gem of a topic for you, 10 quick and easy tips to lower your blood sugar levels. It's not just about managing blood sugar, it's about reclaiming your health, energy, and happiness. By the end of this video, you will have 10 tips to assist you in lowering your blood sugar levels in a healthy way. Stay tuned for all 10 tips. Picture this. You're in a bustling kitchen surrounded by colorful fruits and veggies with the tantalizing aroma of freshly cooked meals in the air. This is not a scene from a cooking show, it's your life after incorporating these amazing tips we're about to share. But before we dive in, let's start with the science behind it all. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels can significantly reduce the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, the Diabetes Care Journal suggests that these quick and easy tips can be a powerful tool in managing blood sugar levels effectively. Now, let's get to those tips. Tip number 1, start your day right. Did you know that a hearty breakfast can help regulate your blood sugar levels throughout the day? A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that a balanced breakfast, rich in fiber and protein, can improve insulin sensitivity. Tip number 2, choose smart carbs. Opt for complex carbs over highly processed carbs. A research paper in the Journal of American College of Nutrition highlights that complex carbs help stabilize blood sugar and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Tip number 3, the power of portion control. A small change in portion sizes can make a big difference. Research in Diabetes Care reveals that controlling portion sizes can help manage blood sugar levels more effectively. Tip number 4, move that body. Physical activity is a game changer. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows that regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar. Tip number 5, embrace the fiber feast. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and legumes are blood sugar superheroes. A study in Diabetes Care emphasizes the role of fiber in blood sugar control. Tip number 6, hydrate for health. Water is your best friend. Research published in Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism reveals that staying well hydrated can aid in blood sugar regulation. Tip number 7, sleep like a champion. Quality sleep is crucial. A study in the journal Diabetologia suggests that poor sleep can disrupt blood sugar levels. Tip number 8, the magic of apple cider vinegar. A little apple cider vinegar can go a long way. A research article in the Journal of Diabetes Research shows that apple cider vinegar can help lower blood sugar levels. Tip number 9 is to stress less and live more. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your blood sugar. A study in psychoneuroendocrinology explains the link between stress and blood sugar spikes. And tip number 10, don't forget the power of support. Having a support system can make all the difference. A study in diabetes care highlights the role of emotional support in managing blood sugar. There you have it, folks. 10 quick and easy tips to lower blood sugar levels that are backed by solid scientific evidence. Remember, it's not just about managing blood sugar, it's about mastering your health and unlocking a vibrant life. Please find supporting documentation for each tips in the video description below. As we wrap up today's video, we want you to know that you've got this. Implement these tips one at a time and watch as your health transforms. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Hello everyone. I wanted to add one additional segment to this video, and that is to very simply put it in front of all of you that highly processed foods, whether it's donuts, pancakes, waffles, even store-bought bread, sodas, breakfast cereals for kids, all those types of things absolutely will sabotage your efforts to maintain good blood sugar levels. Please understand that those have no place in your pantries if your goal is to do a great job maintaining your blood sugar levels. It goes without saying, I hope that I want all of you to be successful. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really do appreciate your kind support. Please leave a comment below and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.